Forward, come here. Line up forward. Yeah, exactly. Let's assume this is already lined up. Okay? The standpipe is lined up. I need you to line up choke number 1. Now listen. That's what we are going to be doing. We're not going to write things down. We are just going to tell you verbally. Line up choke number 1 for hard shut in.
Choke number 1 on top.
Choke number 1. Let him finish, and if you have any questions or if you disagree with what he's doing, then you tell us. Choke number 1 for hard shut in. Choke number 1 for hard shut in.
Hard.
Yeah, hard shut in.
Sir, the sequence is...
No, it's up to you what you do, but just when you finish, you tell us I'm done.
Okay. Close.
كيف open, yeah?
زي ما تعرف open direction.
Please leave him. If he makes a mistake, the only way he can correct him if he notices is the only. So are you done?
Line up choke number 1
For hard shut in.
for hard shut in.
Yeah. Okay. You are done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Sham, I need you to take this and point to me where is choke number 1 on this graphics here.
This is choke number 1.
Choke number 1. That's good. That's right. Now, for hard shutting, what is the procedure? What is
Closed.
which choke? The choke
Choke
itself
number
must be
1,
closed. Okay?
And the valve must be open.
No.
No?
The one down كلن close.
The upstream valve should be closed.
This one?
That has the upstream valve.
هاي اللي تحت
So
خليه
this
أول
is
ما
wrong.
تطلع.
Yeah. So this is wrong.
Oh.
You remember? All must be closed. The choke itself must be closed. The valve downstream must be open. The one that goes directly to the choke line must be open. So that is wrong. That choke should be closed.
So, in soft shut-in, we all open. And this one closed.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Yep.
Everybody notice? Okay. Now mistake number 2. Go ahead. Finish?
No?
Okay. The other mistake was you went and you were closing the choke. The choke was already closed. How much closer can you get?
Yeah.
When you came in, that was good. You switch on to choke number 1 as an instruction. But it was like this already.
But I was looking, I saw something in the book.
Now, okay. So you can still try to close it. It will not go any further. But that's, so you can now, you know, you've understood the lineup. Everyone, now?
But line 2 is open to choke 1.
Which one?
Choke 2 is open to 1. Is that a problem? Or we keep it like this?
Choke 2 is open to 1. Yeah, but where are we, which one are we using?
Which one?
Choke
1.
1.
Okay.
We do to choke 1. So even if it's open, you can close. This is closed, so nothing goes here. And we are only circulating, we are only opening the tube. What happens is this one over here. So you can close this one actually. To be on the safe side, you can close it. But it doesn't matter. What is happening is that this is closed and that is closed. This is also closed and this is closed. So how do we know which choke you are going to do? Is what when you start to check for leakage, we know which choke you are checking for leakage. Because if you go to open that one, that's choke number 2. That's not what you are lined up for. We ask you to line up choke number 1 for this thing, and we want to check and make sure that this is closed and that is closed upstream. Okay. Let's assume you take the slow circulating rate.
Yeah.
How do you take the slow circulating rate?
30 here, then we go there, register the pressure,
Okay.
40 here, and we go and take the pressure again.
Let's say we are going to start circulating, and let me give you the instructions like in the exam.
Okay.
We need you to circulate at 95, please pay attention. We need you to circulate at 95 strokes per minute, and when you do, we want you to set your flow alarms to plus or minus 7 for both of them. Okay? Yeah, both of them. So, and you start drilling, you put your rotation between 100 and 120. Okay?
Now first we set the alarms.
Wait for it to stabilize. We say plus or minus 7. Okay?
Plus or minus 7.
That's very hard to do.
46, 7, 50, 54. Okay. 7. Oh.
Just make it 5. That will be easier.
13.
Okay?
Okay.
And then?
Then
No. And then
0.
before that? No. Before that.
Put the alarm.
Activate it, yeah. Plus or minus. Okay, set this one to plus or minus. 7 is too much. You don't have to.
Then we start it.
Alright. To between 100 and 120. And we want you to put 40,000 pounds weight on it. Okay?
Top right, 100.
Between 100 and 120. So where are you going to see your 100 and 120? There. Okay. You turn it a little and wait for this to stabilize. Turn a little and wait for it. No, it's okay.
Okay, where is the
Yeah. Okay.
Is it too much?
Okay, no, that's all right. Okay, let's assume it's okay. Okay.
No.
Tripping, but before that,
0.
we do this.
How much weight on it?
How much weight on it? 40.
40?
Yeah. So everybody watch. Okay. Okay. This is how you do it, halfway and this fully, and then you start tripping in. So this is what your bit depth, and then the bit is advancing into the hole. It's advancing towards the last point where drilling had taken place. And once it's in contact with the formation, it's going to start to increase. Okay. Careful, I think you are going too fast. Okay. I said 40 pounds, 40,000 pounds. Try not to exceed that. 40,000, 40,000.
Okay.
Okay. Current ROP is what?
20.
20. So you are watching that and you are watching your weight on bit. Okay. And when your weight on bit decreases, you increase it up. So occasionally you look at this, and of course you are watching all your flow alarms also. So you are monitoring your drilling operation. Okay.
Why does the rate of filtration?
The rate is double. 40.
Well, it was already 40. Why are you adding more?
So it's below 40.
Okay.
So if you make more than 40, is the problem?
Yeah, it is. If you are told to do it at 40 and you go beyond 40, that's a problem.
What if you're a bit less than 40?
A bit less is good ahead, but you shouldn't go beyond that.
Mm.
So, you are watching your drilling operation, everything okay?
Yeah.
No. You just
Yeah,
made
this.
your point. Is going to remind you. So you have a drilling break. So what do you do when you have a drilling break?
Well, we have a drill break, trip out.
Okay. So in order to trip out, what do you do? How do you trip out?
First, we put this down.
Yeah.
And this.
Okay. And then?
And we.
Okay. So that's how we trip out. Drum down.
Yeah.
Drum down. Throttle. Once.
Still joint.
Tool joint is on there. It's at the slips. Tool joint at the slip. You secure that. Okay. Everybody keep quiet. Just let him do it. Let him make his own mistake and then correct it. And then what you do?
No.
Yeah. You're just about to fail automatically. And
First,
first this, yeah.
then my pump.
Don't worry, you will not be the only one who did that. I know somebody who did that yesterday, but I'm not mentioning his name. So, and yeah. Okay. You see this step? Very important. The trip down 10, that's very good. And it's still 10. You can count for 5 seconds, 1,000 and 1,002. So flow is negative. So when you have negative flow,
So in the test, we'll not have a negative flow, yeah?
that's $1 million question. You may have, you may not have.
It's better if you don't. If you do have.
Actually, what is better is if you don't have the test at all. No, just kidding.
If you have a kick, so.
Yeah, the only way we can test if you have actually acquired or have understood it is if we test you. So we always have a test. So, but yes, there are situations which have allowed it to flow. And when the flow is positive, you close the well. The positive is a kick warning sign, but your warning sign has become positive, and therefore that is a kick. When it's a kick, you close the well. Whether hard shutting or soft shutting, you need to close that. So this, in this particular case, is negative. When it's negative, what do you do? What do you do?
Continue to
Back, yeah. So you line up again, and then
off,
pump off, yeah. And then you are back again. So what do you do again?
Pump.
Exactly like the same. How much?
95.
95. That's how it was before. Don't go more than that. Try not.
Okay, let me check.
93, but that's okay. And okay.
Check this.
Okay. Okay.
Again. Yeah. It's already open.
Okay.
So we have to close it before. Or what? Just we close this.
Doesn't matter.
Close one.
Close the alarm. Which one we have to close before the close check?
Return.
Whichever one is on. Which
The
one is
both,
on?
both of them?
No, both were not on. Whichever one is on.
This one was on.
Okay. So you turn it on again. Yeah. You turn it back to on. So what do you do next? Okay. That's the same way. You are tripping in. It's the same way you trip in. Main brake is still down. Auxiliary brake halfway before you release the main brake, and then you start going down. Okay?
شغلنا دور الترشح.
What hammer?
شغلنا توب درايف.
Yeah, top drive. Aha. We would never drill, right? Yeah. Otherwise, you would have just sent your feet down there, and then nothing is happening. Yeah. So these are the some of identifiers. Now you just have to pay attention and do the right thing. Just the sequence is the same, nothing changes. So you are going down. It's 5, 6, 15. You have this. What's that? Yeah?
We must. We don't.
Just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
Because you don't know. Maybe the cut head will snap off the fast line, and then this will go down, so you immediately apply the main brake to hold your drill string. keep this, you keep your hand just on it. But just to make sure that this one is this way, is halfway, so that you start tripping in as not slowly, but at steadily. You're going very steady, and that's good.
اسمع على فكرة بتنعجق انت عم بتسويها.
Okay. So we're going down. Well, if you go faster, then you're going to have an alarm coming up. You know? That's not healthy. Actually, well, the way we do it normally is just release, and when we see it going down, then we put it back. But we are not experienced enough to do that. But you can do that, you know. You know where it's supposed to be. It's 95, so you keep it that way. Okay, anyway, you are closer now.
So you drop it and then you catch it?
Which one? You drop?
Yeah, you raise the brakes.
Once you are raising it, you're looking at this. If it's going towards there, then you put it back so that it comes back. Okay. And then that will hasten it. Actually, because now it's much the formation. In the beginning, the formation was earlier. But now that you drill more holes, so it takes a lot more.
So if you're really experienced, you can just drop the string and then catch it.
Don't drop that. It's not easy to catch it, you know. On bit?
White on bit?
No, how much are we supposed to put?
4.
Okay. Okay.
Enough.
Perfect.
Okay.
Almost. You're still drilling. Yeah, you're still drilling. Okay, now you have the alarm. No, you have an alarm that has come. It's indicator. So what are you going to do? Exactly like what you do when you have a drilling break. So you chip out. How do you chip out?
No, I chip out. This.
No. Drum down. Then throttle. Then this out. Yeah, that's how you chip out. That's how you chip out. First of all, you chip out, then you secure the drill string before you shut the pump and the rotor. Not the other way around. So the first time when the alarm comes in, so you see you're going to no. Just leave it. It's not there yet. Okay?
Okay, now.
Alright.
This way. Then line up here. Okay.
احنا رحنا فيها لو الحين.
Okay. Give your hand. Okay. And this is positive. So you are going to close the well by what?
Hard shutting.
Hard shutting. And then
we go check for the
which one are you line up? Okay, so go check for leakage. How do you check for leakage?
First we open this.
Okay.
Now you will see the watch me.
Just watch. This ارفع اسمع الليكج. رجعه ورا شوي. بس ارفع. ايوه اعمل هيك. ما بتسمع شيء. لا خليه يشوفك وانت بتسمع الليكج يقول لك نايس.
Is there a leakage, Hisham?
Do you hear anything?
Yes.
So,
What do you hear?
Hisham?
No.
So, now what you are going to record is your kick data, which is your drill pipe pressure, casing pressure, and pit gain. That's what you have here, right?
Yeah.
So, what is your pit gain?
Pit gain?
Yeah?
Show pit gain. I know the pressure.
No.
What is the pit gain here?
Here.
Exactly. That's the pit level. Very important. How much?
24.
Okay, 24. That's good. Okay. And your drill pipe pressure is over there. Casing pressure is over there. You are right now. Where is the kick now?
Depth.
Kick depth, yeah?
بعد ولا.
Sorry.
5610. no. The bit, where is the bit?
What is
There
your-
is two. Mud pit and MD.
What is MD?
MD, the hole.
Okay.
Okay, so which one we take? The hole.
Yeah, I'm asking you, which one do you take? Where is your kick? It's in the bit.
Also the
Your bit is not in the hole. You just stripped out.
In the middle.
So your bit is about 20 feet. It's actually about 30 feet from the bottom.
Halfway in the middle.
So we take the.
You don't have the hole. The hole is 5,000, 6,531. Halfway is about 2,000 something.
ليش بقرأ؟
لا لا بتشوف البايب
Okay.
لا الكيسنج والدريل بايب.
هناك
اوكي بس عم
Hey,
بحكي.
Ahmad,
الدب تبع الكيك.
your bit was like this when you were
Yeah.
drilling. Then you drilled into a kick.
Mm.
So what did you do?
Strip out.
You stripped out of the hole. You took it out,
For
out,
30
out
feet
until you have about that 30 feet. Until you saw this.
Yeah.
You saw this. So how much is down? It's 30 feet.
Yeah.
And your bit is attached to the last piece. Right? So your bit is along with this one. Your bit is along, it's at the end of this small piece here. And this small piece is part of a 30 feet long one. So your bit is over there. But your kick is right at the hole, at the formation that you just entered. So the depth that you need to record, the measured depth, which is also your true vertical depth, because this one is a vertical hole. This one is less because you took your kick out, you took your bit out. So that is of no use. So you need to. You get everything wrong.
MD.
Yeah, use an MD, which is the same as the true vertical depth. And that's what you have here, over here. MD and true vertical depth are the same because it's a vertical well. If it's a
So sir, after that
yeah, that's it. Actually, for this
We don't-
exercise,
we don't do circulation?
you want to do that?
No.
Why not? Actually, that's the most interesting part of this whole exercise. This other one is not so interesting, right? But that'll take me another 2 hours or so. So I'm going to load it up again.